Welcome. If you've been trying to track down your Reels activity on Instagram using your PC and felt a bit lost after the latest update, you're not alone. The layout has changed slightly, but once you know where to look, it's actually very simple. Let's walk through it step by step so you can quickly find all your Reels activity in just a few clicks. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, take a look at the bottom left corner. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on those 3 lines to open up more options. After clicking, a side menu will appear. From here, look for the option labeled Your Activity. This section is where Instagram stores a lot of your account interactions, including posts, comments, and videos you've engaged with. Click on your activity to move forward. Now that you're inside the activity section, you'll see different categories. Find and click on photos and videos. This is where Instagram groups all visual content related to your account activity. Inside photos and videos, you'll notice several tabs or options. One of them is Reels. Go ahead and click on Reels, and this will open up a detailed view of your Reels activity. Here, you can review the Reels you've interacted with, depending on what Instagram currently tracks in this section. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily access your Reels activity directly from your PC without needing to switch to your phone. If Instagram updates the interface again, the names might stay the same even if the layout shifts slightly, so just remember the path. Menu, your activity, photos and videos, then Reels.